2026 is here, and growth is being reshaped across every industry. Based on Forbes insights from the EY Strategic Growth Forum, there are 5 key trends that will define how companies scale, compete, and innovate in the new year. Let's dive in. The first major trend is generative AI, automation, and visibility. AI is no longer optional. It's becoming embedded across operations, decision-making, and customer interaction. Beyond automation, companies are increasingly focused on AI visibility, ensuring their brand, products, and data are discoverable across AI-driven platforms, not just traditional search engines. The second trend is a reminder that innovation doesn't only mean AI. Significant growth opportunities are emerging from solving overlooked problems, especially in workplace productivity, infrastructure, and human-centered design. Innovation today is just as much about practical impact as it is about advanced technology. Third, niche and industry-specific financing is gaining momentum. As business models become more specialized, traditional financing doesn't always fit. Tailored financial platforms and sector-focused lenders are stepping in to support industries with unique cash flow structures and investment cycles. Fourth, the value of data continues to increase. Companies that combine technology with data collection aren't just delivering services. They are building additional value layers through insights, prediction, and shared intelligence. Data is becoming a long-term strategic asset, not just a byproduct of operations. And finally, communities are becoming critical in an AI-driven world. As automation increases, human connection, trust, and collaboration gain strategic importance. Professional communities, peer networks, and focused ecosystems are emerging as powerful platforms for innovation, resilience, and leadership development. These 5 trends consistently appear across both high-growth startups and large enterprises, signaling where real momentum is building for 2026. What stands out is that growth in 2026 won't come from technology alone. It will come from how well organizations combine AI, data, financing models, and human connection into coherent strategies. The companies that succeed will be those that stay adaptable, focus on visibility and trust, and invest in both digital capability and human ecosystems. Growth is becoming less about scale for its own sake, and more about strategic alignment in an increasingly complex environment. Technology never stands still, and neither should we. If you found this episode useful, hit subscribe and check out my latest videos. And for more everyday stories, follow me on social media. Link in description. See you in the next Tech Pulse. Ciao!